सुपर्णोऽसि गरुत्मान् त्रिवृत्ते शिरः गयत्रं चक्षुः स्तोम आत्मा सामते तनूः वामदेव्यं बृहत्रतन्तरे पक्षौ यज्ञायज्ञं पुच्छं चन्दांसि अङ्गानि तिष्ण्यः सफाः यजूंषि नाम. The Taittiriya Samhita declares Garuda Bhagavan is Vedatma. His entire body is made up of the Vedas. Trivrit, the collection of Vedic hymns, forms his head. The mighty Gayatri is his eyes. Stoma, the Vedic song of praise, forms his very soul. The venerated Samaveda forms his body. Brihat Sama, Ratantara Sama, Vamadevyam, the three important categories of Samaveda which extol Bhagavan Vishnu, form the wings of Garuda. When he flaps his wings, one can hear the glorious Samagana. His very movement produces the auspicious Vedic chants. Yajna is his tail. His very name is Yajus. Garudamakila Veda Nidadirudam Dvishatpidanot Kantita Kunta Vaikunta Piti Kritaskandamide Swanida Gati Prita Rudra Sukitistana Bhoga Gadopaguda Svurat Kantakavrata Vedavyata Vepamana Dvijihvadipakalpa Vishparyamana Spathavatikaratna Rochischata Rajini Rajitam Kanti Kallonini Rajitam. The Garuda Dandaka celebrates the glories of Garuda Bhagavan. Garuda has designed the Vedas as his cage and uses the Vedas as his seat. The Vedas sing his praise. No other bird or animal is placed on such a high pedestal by the Vedas. His master is the Paramatma, who has taken the vow of protecting all the bhaktas, and no one can stop him in this endeavor, more so when he has Garuda as his vehicle to reach out in his mission of Dharma Samstapana. Garuda never returns to his consorts, Rudra and Sukirti, without fulfilling his mission of serving his master. It is said that when the serpents covering the body of Garuda, overcome with fear, raise their hoods, the Ratnas positioned on their hoods radiate brilliant red rays, which appears as Mangala Arati to Garuda, congratulating him for his service excellence, and he sparkles in that flood of red light. Garuda took birth as son of Vinata and sage Kashyapa. As a result of losing a bet over a frivolous matter, Vinata was enslaved by Kadru, the mother of Nagas. As a precondition for releasing her, Kadru demanded that the heart to obtain Amrita be brought to her. Faced with the challenge of Kadru and unable to bear the thought of his mother spending her entire life in the shackles of slavery, Garuda displayed exemplary bravery in the battle against Indra and Devas and was successful in securing Amrita for Kadru, thus setting his mother free. Bhagavan Vishnu was pleased with Garuda, since Garuda was not tempted to taste the Amrita, despite the fact that the vessel of nectar was with him. As a reward, Bhagavan Vishnu chose him as his Vahana. Namah Pannaganadhaya Vaikuntha Vashavartine Shruti Sindhu Sudhotpada Mandaraya Garutmate. Prostrations to Garuda, who has exquisitely beautiful wings, whose limbs are adorned by snakes conquered by him. He does all the Kainkariya to Bhagavan and is devoted to the Lord and his service. Just like how Mount Mandara churned the Kshirabdi, Garuda churns the Vedas to bring out the Brahma Vidya. By worshipping Garuda, we can secure that exalted Brahma Vidya. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanastu.